Leaders and representatives of 10 political parties met with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday and urged him to obtain an appointment with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the Manipur issue. The representatives of the 10 parties met with the Chief Minister in the evening at his secretariat. The 10 political parties include INC, JDU, CPI, CPOM, AITC, AAP, AIFB, NCP, Shiv Sena, UBT, and RSP. Manipur Ibobi said protecting the lives of the people and their properties is the duty of the state. The state has the right to ask the center for manpower and tools required to protect the people and their properties, he added. The people of the state are longing for the crisis to end. They want to know when will the violence end and when peace will return to Manipur. To bring about a solution to the crisis, the Chief Minister should seek an appointment with the Prime Minister, he said. Speaking to media persons after the meeting at the gate of the CM Secretariat, former Chief Minister and CLP leader Okram Ibobi said the 10 political parties have urged the Chief Minister to seek an appointment to meet the Prime Minister and urged him to end the more than 8-month-old Manipur crisis. On the other hand, President of MPCC K Meghachandra said Article 355 has already imposed in Manipur. He further said the central and state governments are trying to cheat the people of Manipur. He reminded that Article 355 of the Indian Constitution covers external aggression and internal disturbance. The lack of clarity and uncertainty which had been facing the people whether Article 355 imposed in the state of Manipur or not has been made clear, he added.
Government sina haiba hangoi ba nungai taba leidna haiba nungai taba leira magasu akoi kano torga akoi haijege akoi site gi haijege thuna Prime Minister gi appointment lobiu haidna akoi adugini akoi unajabase
ojagasi 10 political party ga government ga wari chanarije government na invite tawrko oibra natraga government na invite tawrga di karam be da wari chanarije
adudi ngasai akoi ne akoi haijege na hobuda I haijege ni mayakidi government na masi invite tawgadamne ba 10 political party tana all political parties kawgadamne ba adu kaudana akoi si ikai khangdana changsan ba haiba tare karigino haibabu Manipur gi hujik leiba situation se masida kaptana launa hana suna tawi mayam se masida di akoi protocol or natraga moina korpa ngaiba yadre haidana akoi 10 political parties na appointment lawrga sangbane ba akoi di hundokraga India gi top court na Supreme Court of India na high critici law and order is totally failure constitutional machinery is completely breakdown tawre haji sidai hena kari hainingai de
jabase kyam wangna
akoi di thajai adu moina akoi gi voice akoi gi nati ba Manipur le ba praja sing gi voice ne lobiu adu Manipur gi praja sing gi voice ta dragati kari haini akoi na
yenai han khumbi se
akoi di yam chauna thajai wari sanadana di any solution Purpa Shanti Purpasi Luni, Wari Shanana ba conducive atmosphere Sinbiu, intervene to view Haibise. Aduni Government of Indiana, Honorable Prime Minister, intervene to view on a Haibise, quite Tazay, Yam Sound, Tazay, Wari Shanadana Gadi, quite solution Purpa Shanti Purpasi.
1 point I can give government of India, government of Manipur, Yam Sinceroi the Vaporama, Honorable Chief Minister. Article 355 said, Masi state enforced the way the Masi high and poor. Aduna, the Aquina Hange clarity later of post. Article 355 said, Masi enforced the way the Masi, Honorable Chief Minister Harakose is very unfortunate. Hangai Masi, the government is sincere with the state government to central government to sincere with the Masi. It is confirmed today. Aduna Masi external aggression, Amadi internal disturbance, Masi Article 355 is covered the way. Samvidhan 355 is enforced the way, as they have clearly highlighted. The Minister Ahum, Awangbo, Govindas, Basanta Kumar, MLA Abdul Nasir, MLA Santi. Thank you.